In this video, you will learn how to apply for the Navy Federal Credit Card. First, become a member. You must be a member of the Navy Federal Credit Union to apply for a credit card. Membership is open to active military duty, veterans or Department of Defense personnel and their immediate family members. To join or open a savings account with a minimum of $5 deposit, choose a credit card. Review. Navy Federal's credit card options. They offer reward cards, low interest cards, secure cards, building credit cards and more. Pick the one that benefits your needs the most. Check. Check pre-qualification. Use the Navy Federal pre-qualification tool to see if your cards are eligible for. This soft credit check will not affect your credit score and help avoid unnecessary hard inquiries. Submit application. You can apply online, by phone or even at a local branch. Be ready to provide your personal and financial details, such as your name, income, social security number, employment status, and housing expenses. Wait for approval. Navy Federal will do a hard credit check. Some applicants are approved instantly, while others may need to wait a few days if more information is required. Receive. Receive and activate your card. When you're approved, your card will arrive in 7 to 10 business days. You should activate it online or using your phone. Some members get an instant digital access to start using it right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.